Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're doing well. Just had the delivery from Red Dragon Seeds. Haven't opened this yet, so I thought I'd just do a little unboxing. Never ordered from them before. Hopefully the seeds here are going to be very successful and get a nice little supply out of this. But let's see what we got. This costs $21.99. Let's open this up and have a little look. Alright. Tin in there. Let's get this bubble wrap off and see what it's like. Okay, so firstly you get this for free, all different varieties. Who knows what it's going to be in there? 10 to 15 seeds, all different types, so we'll give those a try. And another little bonus I had no idea about, they've thrown in a pack of sweet banana, mild big banana peppers. We should give those a go. And here we have the tin, the chili seed mix. All these wonderful different types here. Let's open this tin and see what's inside. Okay. It's a lovely Pepper Scoville chart there. Awesome. Got your growing guide. Fantastic. Okay. Got the pencils. Okay, what we got here? Some chili fert, some fertilizer for your seeds. Nice big pack. Let's go through the seeds now, shall we? Got lots of these lollipop sticks. Mark your pots out. Okay, here we go. Okay, everybody. So, we was given the sweet banana for free, which is marvellous. Thank you guys for doing that. We'll give them a go for sure. Next is a Kashmiri mirch. Now, this is what I usually use in Indian cooking. So, probably dry some of this and get it powdered. Very nice. Black jalapeno, never tried them. They look crazy. Small plants, but with a lot of yield. So let's give these a go and see how they turn out. Very, very nice. The popular mild pepper from Mexico, poblano. Not tried these yet, but I'm looking forward to giving them a go. Just snacking on them, I think, so they'll be nice and mild. Ancho poblano, very nice. These look crazy, check these out. Dreamcatcher, medium hop, how purple, beautiful. And the plant, dark purple leaves with light green and white, very, it's just crazy, crazy. Another purple crazy, Buena Mulata. That's a hot one, but look at that, they're like cayennes, but light and dark purple. Does end up turning to red, but lovely stuff. Nice classic, the large orange Thai. Beautiful, look at those. Big, thick, long, tasty, hot orange chilies. Fantastic. And now we get into the main reasons why I wanted to get this tin. We have Carolina Reaper. Just look at the state of that. Wow. 1.5 million plus. Super, super hot. I can't touch that. Some people can. These look great, check these out. Nice, bright, sweet, medium hot, summery peppers. I think they're going to be great in stir fries and salads. And look at this one. Look at that. I really hope we get pods like that. I'm sure we will. It's quite a hot one. Super, super interesting. And this is the one I'm looking forward to the most. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. So back at some, so it's going to take 6-7 months just before we start seeing anything, but I think it's going to be worth it. They look absolutely nuts. Fantastic. So there we have it, guys and girls. $21.99 at the moment. And I'm very, very glad I made that purchase. Shout out to Red Dragon Seeds. Thank you for the free seeds and the free surprise variety pack. We'll get them all in germination for the new year and see what happens. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for joining me today. Hope you're doing well. Stay happy. And we'll see you all soon. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.